back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit late, but I felt like I wanted to do this unboxing, and it is for the FabFitFun box. This is it right here, and it is for fall of 2018, and I've been getting FabFitFun for about a year now. I think it is such a great subscription box because it's not just makeup, but they give you lifestyle items, they give you skincare, you're able to choose some of the products. I think it is so worth it. The value is way more than what you spend. So I'll have a link down below so that if you are interested in signing up, you can get your first box for $39.99. That is $10 off the original price, and that would be for your first box. So the price afterwards would be $49.99. It is seasonal, so you get it in the spring, summer, fall, and winter. So again, this is exactly how it comes in the mail. And when you open it up, it's always really pretty. It goes with the theme, it goes with the season. On the box it says grateful for every little thing, fall 2018. And then it will have the magazine on the top, and it's wrapped up in tissue paper. In the magazine it gives you like tips and tricks with the products, and it'll give you a list of the products, and not just what comes in your box, but everything. This is also another $10 off your first box. This is the coupon code. So if you want to take a snapshot of that, if you don't want to go on the link, or if you want to give this to a friend, if you're going to use the link, then go ahead and take a snapshot of that. My box is valued at $375.94. I think I was very lucky because mine was more of the most expensive value. It really depends on what you choose and what they give you. It says that the value went anywhere from $285.97 to $375.94. First thing I'm going to show you is the first customization choice. And you had a choice between a brush set, a crown brush set, which was 6 pieces. You could have either chose that in black and rose gold or silver, and that was valued at $75. But I have a lot of brushes. I get a lot of brushes with my subscription boxes, and I still have ones that I've never used. But instead what I chose, it comes just like this. It's Vince Camuto, and it says it's a Vince Camuto Luck Tote. You could have gotten it in either black or red desert. I chose mine in black. The value of this is $128. This is already more than double the price of the box. And I chose mine in black. Again, it's vegan leather. Comfortably carry your everyday essentials in this giant tote. It features a soft interior and a hanging slip pocket to store your keys, lip balm, and more. The back of it is stamped Vince Camuto, so you do have that branding there. Now, it doesn't zip or anything. It is just a tote, but I will tell you the quality of this is amazing. It's very soft on the inside. It almost has like a suede feeling in it. It is that hanging pocket. So the next product is also a customization item, and you were able to choose either a teapot, and it was so cute. I was actually thinking of getting that as well, because if you can't make up your mind and you want to get both, you can actually add that second item as long as it's still available for $10 more. So I had that in my cart for a little bit, and then I said, you know what, I really just don't need the teapot at all. It is adorable though. It has little flowers on it, and it's called an Alfred teapot. Instead, because I am a coffee drinker and I saw this, and I use these sometimes, it's a French press. It's an Alfred French press. This is $22 value. The French press that I have is really tiny, and it kind of isn't working as good anymore. Now I do have a Keurig, so that's my daily coffee maker, but there are times that I have certain coffees that I like to use a French press, and I thought this was great. It says "but first coffee" on it. It's 20 ounces, so I think you could get, depending on the size of your mug, I think you could get like 2 cups out of this. It doesn't feel like it's great quality. I mean, it's a little bit better than the one that I purchased, which I had gotten from Amazon. This part is like metal. This feels more like plastic. This is pretty cool. You know, you just, with a French press, you just put your coffee into here, and you would put your hot water, really hot water, let it steep. You would give it You would definitely give it a few minutes. When you're ready to pour your cup, you'd push it down, and then all the coffee grinds will stay at the bottom, and then you're able to pour your cup of coffee. These are good with certain espresso coffees. I like espresso, I like really strong coffee, and that's what these are good for. So I'm gonna give it a try pretty soon. So since I am not a select member or annual member, this is going to be my last customization choice that I'm going to show you, because you do get 3. I think that's every season. I know it's at least 2 that you're able to choose. So this one is, I mean, I had no questions about this one. It was either an umbrella, which it's called a Catherine Malandrino umbrella in red floral or black and white floral, which is valued at $39.99. I would never pay that much for an umbrella. What I did pick was these Silo Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds in black. You could have chosen either black or white. And then the value of this is $40. So I go to the gym at least 4 days a week. And right now, all I'm using are like the earbuds that come with the iPhone. And every single time I am there, they fall out of my ears, they get in the way, they tangle up. They are just a pain. They come with the USB charging cable, and these are the replacement earbuds or smaller ones, I believe. These are the ones that I would probably have to use. So these are what they look like. I like how it has like this gold hardware on the buds itself. And again, like it said, it has the controls around the neck. This is actually just a sponsored item. It's not included in the value of the box, and it's also not counting towards the products. This is the Luna Rica. And the flavor is in salted caramel nuts. So that sounds pretty good. I will probably eat this tomorrow. So the next item is a product that if you were an annual member or a select member, you would have been able to choose from 3. I was actually really lucky and excited that the one that I got was the most expensive out of all of them. It's the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. Gently exfoliate dry skin to reveal a radiant, moisturized complexion. This is valued at $67. That's crazy. Crazy expensive. It says it's ideal for all skin types. It's supposed to be really good. I haven't opened it at all, but this is the tube that it comes in. This is how it comes. And this is actually the right way, because if you put it this way, everything's upside down. And I think that it's meant to be that way. For an exfoliant, you don't need to use a lot. So this seems like a really good size. It is 2.53 fluid ounces. The next thing is also a product that if you were a select member, an annual member, you could have chosen also from 3. What I did get is this Touch in Soul Metallic Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny. The duo includes a glittery gloss on one end and a metallic liquid on the other to give you a mesmerizing demi-matte finish. It's $24.99 value. So this is the liquid lipstick side, and you can see that it's like really like chromatic, and it's pretty. It's a pretty shade. And this side, which I don't know if I would ever use, is really, really, really shiny. I mean, it's really shimmery. Next product, which I loved this idea because I actually needed towels like this. These are tea towels or dish towels. The brand is Simply Whimsical. It says this set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. It says that these are valued at $14.99. This can go with any kitchen because everybody's kitchens are different. They're decorated different. These will go with mine, no problem, because I have a lot of like I have stainless steel appliances. I have granite countertops, but not light granite. It's like that brown and gold, and these will definitely go with anything. I'll hang these over my stove. They're really big too. They're definitely big. So each one this is the length of each one. I mean, they're still on the tag, but I'm gonna leave that for now. But I think that they are really cute and different to get. I like this. I like getting different things, and that's why I like this subscription, because you're not just getting makeup and skincare and stuff, you're getting lifestyle items. The other thing I was really excited about too, because I needed a new shower gel. This is from Skin & Co. Roma Blue and Capri. You could even use this as a bubble bath. Value of this is $22. It's cruelty free. It has a little safety seal on it. It's not as citrusy as I would have thought. It has like an herbally scent. It has some citrus notes to it, but it definitely has some lemon and the sage. I can smell all that. And now we're down to the last two products. This one here, I was super excited about because I love the brand. Glamglow Bubble Sheet Oxygenated Deep Cleanse Mask, and they give you 2 of them. The value is $18. It says, watch it activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The microbubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify the skin, revealing a glowing, deeply purified complexion. So you would put this on damp skin, and then you leave it on for approximately 3 minutes. Once it's removed, massage the remaining bubbles and rinse. So it's kind of like a cleansing treatment. And then the last but not least, they've never had anything from this brand, and it is Beautyblender. This is $20 value. And the colors may vary, so everybody was getting different colors. I already have the black one that I use. They sent me this pale pink one. Let me know in the comments down below if you received this subscription. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I always appreciate everybody's support, and feel free to share this video if you'd like. And again, I'll have the link down below. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and sign up and get $10 off your first box. But until my next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.